Yay! Oh, how can you not love this? Which one do you like better? Slime or sand? Or modeling clay? Yay! Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? Look at that. Hi Gigi, how are you feeling today? You okay?
Perfect!
Today we have a play date with all these dolls. And what are these ones? Squeezy sand. We have some dolls, we have some sand. Oh, this is going to be exciting. What shall we do with dolls and sand? I wonder. Oh, look at these dolls. They look like me. Do you know why? Look. These ones, they look like me. Why do you think? Because we all have pink hair. Look at that.
Oh, wow!
How many dolls do we have in here? Let's see them all. I'll just place them just like that so you can see them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And because I have 10 dolls and 10 different colors of squeezy sand, I will just build a house. So for each doll, it will be a color. For example, for this doll, I will choose pink, let's say, and I will just build a house for her, and then a blue one for her, yellow, orange, red, black, brown, Okay, let's start. Okay, how do I do this? How do I do this? What's the right way to play with some dolls and some squeezy sand? There isn't a right way, so let's just place them in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it looks like they're on a playground. Okay, let's call this the playground of shapes and colors and sand and okay. And what about some role play?
Oh, I love
Hello, hi. Oh, this is going to be a really fun day. Ayu is going to build us some houses. What do you think? Oh, I will have my own house. I think I want a yellow one. What color would you like? I think I would like a red one.
I love it!
Oh, silly me. Okay. Yellow. Yellow for this beautiful doll. Hello. Hello. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, yellow.
It's beautiful!
Yellow. Yellow.
Wow!
What do we have in here? What kind of shape is this? Looks like a square, right? Let's call this a house. What do you think? A square house for one of the dolls.
It's beautiful!
Can we move it? Yes, we can.
Hooray! Oh,
Here you go. Oh, the first house is ready. Next one. We had yellow. Now, green. Let's go with green. A green one.
Oh, yeah!
This looks like a
It's beautiful.
triangle, right? Yep, looks like a triangle. Oh! We have a green one as well. There you go.
Wow.
We need more room in this playground, so I need to move these shapes, but I need to be really, really careful when I do that. Oh no, the house is ruined. Let's put it back together.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
That's fine, we're in a playground, so sand can be actually anywhere, right?
Wow.
All right.
Oh, I love it.
There you go. Do, 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 do.
Oh, I love it.
I love playing with sand. Which one do you like better? Slime or sand? Or modeling clay? For me, I think it's sand. And kinetic sand is really, really cool. Okay. We have the square and the triangle. The green triangle. There you go. Okie doke. Next one. Let's have the white one. White. Oh, look. Tower.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. Okay. Let's think. Think. Let's make a... What's this?
Oh, wow!
Let's call it a circle.
Oh, wow!
An abstract circle. Okay. And I will choose the stone for the white.
Perfect.
There you go. All right, and now I have to move it. Okay, there you go.
Oh,
What now?
yeah.
What now? What now? What now? Red. One. Oh, it's a nice color. Ooh. And another one. Wow, we have 2 towers.
Wow.
Oh, but should I ruin these towers? I shouldn't because they look so nice. Ah, no, it's going to fall down. No. Ooh, let's just try. Like a big tower. Oh, it collapsed. No. Wow, but look at that. Oh, look at that. Just have a look. Oh, it feels so nice. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Oh, I love playing with sand, I'm telling you. Really, really, really relaxing. Oh, I think I can do this all day long. I need to hurry up. Everyone is waiting for a house. Oh, we have red. What should I do with the red one? Red. What about a heart?
Wow.
Let's just move it in here. And I'll start shaping the heart.
Oh, wow!
Oh, I love it. Wow. Hooray!
looks about right, like a heart. There you go, we have a heart. We have 4, oh, 6 to go. All right, blue. Blue, 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 blue.
Oh, I love it. It's beautiful.
Like a rectangle.
Bingo.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks like a rectangle. Okay, we have a rectangle as well, and I shall move it. Let's move it, move it. Right in here. Oh no, that's not a rectangle anymore. Oh my goodness. But we're on a playground. It's fine. It's sand on a playground, so it sounds about right, but still. Let's shape it again. Oh, and we have a doll nearby.
Wow.
There you go. Here's your house. Very nice. Okay. What color now? Brown. Brown, brown, brown. What shall we do? What shall we do?
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Let's see.
Oh boy.
So this looks like
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
square. It's a smaller one than this one, but a bit taller. So we have another square in here for this pretty doll.
Oh, I
with
love it.
purple hair. Oh no, just stay there. All right, next one. Oh, look at this color. This is my favorite. Oh my goodness, my eyes. Such a pretty color. Look at that. Wow. Ooh. Oh, how can you not love this? Oh, wow. It is amazing. Oh, I'm so happy.
Oh, wow!
Wow. I really love playing with sand, especially when I have these beautiful colors. Let's make again a circle. Or at least something similar to a circle.
I love it.
Okay. And you have this pretty doll in here.
Oh, I love it.
Wow, amazing, I'm telling you. Amazing. Now we have purple. I love purple too. Purple. Let's try again with the tower. Woo.
It's beautiful.
Wow, amazing. Wow. Oh no, not again, not again. Come on. Let's just build something. Anything, just anything.
Wow.
We have another circle for another doll. Here. Nice hair. Purple. Sorry, orange. Ooh. That is purple. This is orange.
It's beautiful. Hooray! yeah!
We have the orange house and the last one, the black one. I have some black sand in here. It's a bit bright, right?
Oh yeah!
There you go. Look at that! We have the playground ready, and each doll has her own house. We have the blue sand in here, the white sand in here,
It's beautiful!
the red one, the dark pink one, orange one, black one, oh, purple one, brown one, green one, yellow one.
Wow!
Oh, this was really, really, really nice. Yes, I love it.